Hey everybody, how you doing? It is Mr. Bookman and I will be reading Hotel Bruce by Ryan T. Higgins. Please enjoy. Hotel Bruce. Bruce was a bear who lived with 4 geese. Recently, but he was their mom, which meant every winter he migrated south with them. Welcome to Miami. Honk, 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 honk. Honk, honk, honk. He would have preferred to hibernate. Migration in his motherhood is hard work for a bear. It made Bruce tired and grumpy. Welcome to Northwoods Hotel, your home away from home. That's why when Bruce came home one spring to find that mice had moved in and turned his house into a busy woodland hotel, he was not happy. Bruce was in no mood for rodents. He turned them out of the house and headed to bed. That's when trouble started. It was a long night. Can I have a glass of water? You're hogging the sheets. I want to snuggle. I need to pee. The next morning, Bruce woke up to sounds of birds chirping. Tweet, toot, and squirrels scattering, and possums having a pillow fight. Squawk! It only got worse. Munch, munch, munch. It's a bath. Those veggies and spices are good for your shelves. Thank you for choosing the Northwood Hotel. I hope you enjoy your stay. Our bellhoppers will see to your luggage. Bruce growled. Bruce grumbled. Bruce asked to speak with the manager. The mice went into another room for a moment. I'm not tipping you. Listen, guys. 2 mice came back wearing ties. I'm the manager. I have a tie. No, I'm the manager. My tie has stripes. They took my tie. They were interrupted by a commotion in the kitchen. Run for your lives! The turtle soup had gone bad. The turtles are after the fox. It was a disaster, and the turtles had taken his best silverware. Bruce started to lose his cool. Roar! I'm sorry I can't understand your accent. Maybe you should hire a translator. The geese stepped in to smooth things over. Honk, honk, honk. Oh, he's with you. And the mice understood. Sort of. Just when it couldn't get any worse. It did. This was the last straw. Well, really, it was the last elephant. Finally, Bruce lost his temper. This is not a hotel. This is my house. Everybody out right now. Out. Gee, I thought they never leave. Bruce's house was a quiet, peaceful place once again, and there were no more visitors. Honk, honk, honk. At least for a little while. Sigh. Well, it looked like Bruce had to kick some friends out, huh? Have you ever had to do that with your friends? Kick them out because they invited people to come over without your permission? Let me know with a thumbs up if that has ever happened to you. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this book reading here, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr.Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one, and take care, everybody. And thanks for watching.